Hey guys, it is Enjoy back with another YouTube video, and today we're gonna unbox some bomber grounds. We're gonna use the summer chests. That's like a really good outfit, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see how much I have left. So season 2's out. It's the tiger right there, just chilling. Let's see. There's awesome. I'm also gonna check out season 2. Tiger, hot face, 10 gems, beach ball, summer themed, I think. XP, I'm pretty sure the max level is 100 now. Surfboard, coins, swimming cap, gems, tier full, 150 coins. More XP, swimsuit, gems, coins, more XP, kiss. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's free. So I'm gonna get the battle pass though. There's more gems, 150 coins, chill surprise with pepper, some XP, gems, coins. Oh, that's like a Mexican fighter mask. That's cool. A green plastic chair. That's that may be like a fighting prop, I guess. Gems, coins, muscle paint. Oh, probably for the fighting dude. Okay. Oh, sweet Sunday. That looks really nice. Oh, melting ice cream? Bro, this stuff is cool. Ice cream suspenders. That's cool. Red ice pop. That's legendary. Livid. Pirate clothes. Red bandana. That's gonna look cool. I know this is gonna look cool. Sack of treasures. Bruh. Oh, that's what. What? Wait. What is this? Why is it red? Is that like better than legendary? Caw boom. Okay, I'm gonna see. I'm gonna. Bro, that's so cool. It's like a certain type of thing. That's cool. That's really cool. So I'm gonna unlock the battle pass. Not right now though. I'm also gonna spend my gems on these summer chests. See what I get. Wait, didn't I just get this? Hold up, I'm so confused. Referee clothes. This said arcade suit. This is arcade suit. That looks cool. Referee clothes. That looks cool too. I don't really know which one to pick. They're both really good. I could open 2 more chests. I don't want a suit. Come on.